Everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back with you here at Natural Transplants in the DC office, and we got Ryan today, special guest, joining us from down in Virginia. Welcome, man. Thanks for coming today.
Hey, I'm glad y'all were able to take me.
Appreciate it. And thanks for doing this and sharing your story. If you wouldn't mind sharing it with everybody, kind of why you're here, what your goal is.
Sure. So I think I started really starting to lose my hair when I was 28. Mm-hmm. This is a slow, gradual process, but over time, really started to weigh on my self-esteem. And when you go, you talk to women, and you're not feeling 100%. It just was always lingering in the back of my mind. I'd see photos of myself. I wouldn't feel great. It really got to a point where I had to make a decision. I either really needed to shave it all off, or I needed to come to you guys. The fork in the road, and do all that I can to hang on to my hair. And
awesome. And you did have a hair transplant done a couple years ago?
I had one done about 4,000 grafts.
4,000 grafts.
Yeah.
So it was elsewhere. It was a FUT strip. It was done elsewhere. They did a good job. They focused mostly on the front part right here. So this probably wouldn't have a whole lot left there if it wasn't for the transplant. I'm gonna have you look down a little bit for me. So what we're gonna do? He's satisfied with the hairline. We're gonna basically start somewhere around here and spread it out over the entire thing. Sometimes we will just go back as far as we can go at maximum density. He wants at least everything covered to some degree, so we may have to spread the grafts out to some degree. Obviously, that's going to decrease the density, but he does at least want it covered, and then he's okay if we had to come back do another coat down the road. But the goal will be to fill it all in at maximum density. But depending on how many hairs we get and how many grafts, we may have to spread the grafts out a little bit. You ready to roll?
Ready to do
awesome.
this.
Thanks for doing this, man.
Wait.
We'll draw it all out and we'll come back and check on in a few. Sounds good?
Great.
Awesome. Cool.
Yep.
All right. We are back with Ryan. You look a little different now. You shaved your head. You actually can pull it off all right. I'm going to have you lower your head down just a little bit. So we're basically filling in right behind where the hairline was. We're doing a little bit more on his right side here. It was a little bit weaker on here, so we dropped a little bit. But we're basically going to kind of fill this whole area in as much as we can. Again, it will probably be less dense than if we just did a smaller area, but I think it's going to look good. Awesome. You ready to roll?
I'm excited.
Let's do this. All right, we'll come check on in a little bit later. All right. All right, we are back with Ryan. You did it, man. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Be honest with everybody. How did today go for you?
If you can make it past the first 15 minutes, you're good to go. By the end of the day, I was sleeping, I was napping, I was snoring.
And you didn't even take any Valium. So he didn't. He took no Valium today. He didn't want Valium. That's probably why. And you did great with the injections, but they're not fun. Whether you have Valium or not, they're not fun. But you fell asleep even without Valium. You did great.
Yeah,
you did fantastic.
And, once you get past those first few shots, it's
cake
you're
after
ready
that.
to go.
Yeah,
it's not that bad.
Yeah. You did great. And we did great too. So we got more than I thought. We covered the whole area. We did actually not have to compromise at all on the density, so I was super happy with that. I mean, I know we told you not to do this, but go ahead and put bend your neck down just a touch. Actually, you know what? You got it. So we basically got maximum density all throughout. I didn't have to sacrifice any density at all, so I was super excited about it. We got good strips. You got really good density in the back donor, so it allowed us to get more hair than I thought. So I love it. Congratulations, man.
Fantastic.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Any recommendation, anybody out there thinking about it, or speak to yourself a year ago, what would you tell yourself?
I would just figure out how you want to look. And I would just take a long time. I'd stare at yourself in the mirror, be vain. Just figure out being bald's for you. It's not for me. It's not what I want to do. It's not how I'm going to live my life.
That's great advice, yeah.
And I want a big, nice head of hair, and I'm going to have one now.
You're going
to
have one.
I'm very
That's
happy
great.
with the decision. Yeah.
Awesome. I love it. Again, thanks for doing this. Hopefully we'll follow you along throughout the year. We'll see you in a year, and can you send us postcards of your hair blowing in the wind or something like that.
Be wonderful.
All right?
Yeah,
thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.